The Blinc Tubing Mascara comes in 5 shades. It gives you defining, lengthening, and a natural look with a patent shine finish, while forming extremely long-wearing, water-resistant tubes around your lashes that cannot run, smudge, clump, or flake, even if you cry, sweat, or rub your eyes. Ideal for long days, active lifestyles, and those with sensitive eyes. Also perfect to tubify any other mascara to make it longer wearing. Blinc Tubing Mascara Amplified is available in 2 colors, provides buildable, glamorous volume and length with a semi-matte finish, while forming extremely long-wearing, water-resistant tubes around your lashes that cannot smudge, clump, or flake. And to remove, just combine lots of warm water with gentle pressure from your fingertips or a cloth, and the tiny tubes will effortlessly slide off your lashes into your hand. No makeup remover is required.